Morning friends, my name is Santosh. So today I am going to teach you about how to speak English easily and automatically. That is very nice point. So first of all, we know what is meant by easily and automatically. That means effortless. I know every person want to speak English without any efforts. Some people don't want to do some activity and they want to speak in English. So, if you want to speak English without any effort, then you must remember 3 points. First one is method, second one is emotion, and third one is mind. So, what is the connection of three words? What is the connection of emotion? What is the connection of mind? And what is the connection of method? But before that, remember one thing. That thing means automatic and easily. Easily means English is not hard. If you think English is the language, definitely you realized that language you are studying is like imitation. So first of all, what is mean by imitation? Imitation means what somebody is doing, you do that activity. As like I am a teacher, I am speaking something. When you are listening my video, then you copy and paste. That means imitation. Imitation is nice process. When you think as like imitation, English is very easy. Second thing, automatic. Automatic means no anything happen, then that thing will present. We are not machine, we are human beings. So English is not come automatically, but if you are doing three things, definitely English will become automatically. Effortless English. I press one word, that word means effortless. Without any word, you will speak English as soon as possible if you follow three things. So what is the connection of three things? First thing is emotion. Every person has a lots of emotion, such as good emotion, such as bad emotion, such as angry emotion, such as love emotion. So what is the connection of emotions and English? It's very simple. Emotions like two types. First one is positive, second one is negative. When you think positively, you create lots of energy for doing that activity. You create lots of power. But don't forget one thing. Powers come from powerhouse. So mind is our powerhouse. Mind is our powerhouse, and that powers used by emotion. That power used by emotion means mind is our powerhouse and emotion is our machine, is our thing. But there are two things, positive and negative. If you think positive, your powerhouse give you lots of energy. If you think I do, definitely one day you will do. But if you think I don't, definitely you never do. So always think positively. Always think be positively. So I entered one word be. Be means possibility. Always think positively. If you are thinking positively, definitely your powerhouse, your mind give you lots of power for speaking English. If your mind give you lots of power, definitely, automatically you will speak English. Because no any person is genius from born. That person learn different types of things from our atmosphere. And all the things save in our powerhouse. This is our powerhouse. In the powerhouse there are lots of power. But some people has no idea how to use that power for speaking English. But if you are watching my video, then definitely you will realize at the end of my video what is the connection, how to use some power for speaking English. So there are two types of power. First one is positive power, second one is negative power. Positive powers create love, create happiness. Negative power create sadness, anger. Means when we think about the positively, definitely you will speak English, because your emotions has required lots of power, but that power gives our powerhouse to us. If you think I will speak English, I will speak English, one day you will speak English. If you increase your confidence, what is mean by fluent speaking English? What is mean by fluency? Fluency means you are speaking effortless English. I know I am not doing any activity for speaking English, but I am speak very well in English because of I speak confidently, I speak effortless, I speak automatically, because my feelings create lots of positive power. My feelings create lots of positive power. Means I come onto my mind, give me lots of power for speaking English. So because of that, I am in front of you for speaking English. Means that is our point. Emotions means EQ. What is mean by EQ? EQ means how to do some activity with the specific manner. Manner means if you want to speak English, then there is a systematic way. What is mean by systematic? What is mean by automatic? Systematic, as like early morning I get up, I prepare myself, I take a breakfast. That is the system. So this is our system. What is our system? Emotions, mind and method. If your mind use lots of power, definitely using that power you speak English very easily and automatically without any effort. If you press the bell icon on your mind, means bell, if you want to enter in the home, then first of all you press the bell, then someone open the door, then you will enter the home. Means if you press the positive feelings, definitely after some time later you will be speak more and more. That is the power of positive emotion. If you create negative emotions, then it's not good enough. That is our first point. Then our second point, mind. Mind means IQ. Lots of people has lots of knowledge, but they don't speak in English because they worry about people what think about us. So don't worry, mistakes are proof, you are trying. Definitely one day you will be speak English if you start today for speaking English. Means don't wait for perfect moment. Do some act and make it perfect. Don't wait for perfect moment. Means when I am studying, then I will perfect, then I will speak. That is not a present thing. That thing is not happen in your life. If you want to do something, then you will get up, you do that activity, after some time later, you will be done that. Remember, in the world, nothing is impossible, everything is possible. In the world, nothing is impossible, everything is possible if you create lots of feelings positively, if you create lots of intelligence. Means in our life, lots of time we are studying for English. Means 1st standard to 5th standard. 8th standard, 10th standard, 12th standard. You are studying regularly, but you are not able to speak English. That is not a means you have no idea. That is not a meaning of you have no idea. You have lots of idea about English, active voice, passive voice, direct speech, indirect speech, articles, change the voice, tenses. You have lots of idea, but you are not speaking English because your mind and your emotions has confused. Your mind has lots of idea, but emotions has confused. So what is the connection of emotions and mind? Your mind provided lots of power to emotion, but your emotions confused about plus, minus, about positive, negative. Means you have lots of knowledge about English. I know that thing. In my childhood, I was studying regularly in English. But on those days, I was not able to speak English. But right now, I am speaking English because of I connect 2 points with each other. That means mind and emotion. When your mind and emotion connect with each other, definitely you will speak automatic English. Because in your mind there are lots of idea how to speak English, how to present yourself. But you have no idea that thing is yours or not. Means that things you have or not. But I know every person has a lots of things, lots of knowledge. But there are 2 types of knowledge. Positive knowledge and negative knowledge. If you have lots of confidence, then your positive knowledge happen. But if you are not confident, then you have no knowledge. In your mind there are 2 things, positive thing and negative thing. Always try to think positively. When you think positively, definitely something will happen. If you think negatively, means they reduce your confidence, they break your trust. Mind means you have lots of power. Every person use only 0.5%, 0.2%, 0.1% mind. Means when we think about Albert Einstein, lots of scientists, they were belong in the society. They used their mind only 0.5% to 0.2%. Means mind has a lots of power. There are lots of knowledge. They have lots of idea how to speak English, how to speak correctly, how to speak grammarly, how to speak easily, how to speak automatically. But if you think positively, I know lots of people want to speak English, but they think negatively. If I am speaking English, then I will create lots of mistakes. Don't think about your mistakes. Mistakes are proof you are trying. If you think I will do when I will perfect, that is not a good thing. That thing is not happen. No any person is perfect from born. When you are starting for speaking, then start which knowledge you have. Using that knowledge, you speak front of the people. Means your mind, if you command to your mind, I will speak English, I will speak English, I will speak English, definitely positive emotion will happen. If you order to your emotion using by mind, mind is our remote control. Mind is our remote control. When we press the remote button, then they pass some power to emotion. But if you have no remote control, then you are not watching your good movie, your likes movie. Means if you are choosing some movies, then you are not play if you have no remote. Means mind is our remote. When you press the button, definitely your favorite channel will present. If you press the good button, press the right button, right time. Means this is the right time and this is the right place for speaking English. Means at least in a whole day, you must use 1 hour for speaking English, for thinking English, for writing English, for listening English. Means if you are spend regularly 1 hour for English, definitely after some time later you will speak easily and automatically. If you spend little time for English. If you have no time, you are doing work in different types of factories, different types of places. Don't worry, you are watching my video regularly. You are listening my video regularly. One day you will speak English, definitely, 100%. I guaranteed you. If you are watching my video, at least 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, after some time you will be realize what is your mistake. And then you will speak English. You will realize which type of study I am doing, then I will speak English. But remember, your mind create positive energy, then your confidence is high, your trust is built. If your mind order to your feelings. So what is the connection of mind and power? Mind is the powerhouse and emotion is the instrument, that instrument using that power. Then third thing, that means method. So method means there are 2 methods, emotions and mind. When your emotions and mind come in one place and they started to make stories, little stories. Then audio listening means regularly you are listening my video. Then group discussion. That is a method. Means when you are listening, when you are watching. First of all, mini storage, then audio listening and group discussion. There are only 3 methods. When you are in the friend, then communicate only in English. That is the method number 1. Don't waste your time. If your friend don't like English, but you motivate them. English is the international language. English is the global language. So that's why you are trying to speak in English. Then you communicate with them. Means you collect some peoples, one place. Means if you have no time, then you have mobile. Using that mobile, you send some message to your friend, to your families, and communicate only in English. That is the good. That is the group discussion. Audio listening. At least in one day you are listening my video. That is the good sign. That is the good thing. That is not a present result, but that is the permanent result to your future. If you are listening my video regularly. Means after 1 month, after 2 months, after 3 months, result will be happen. Definitely. I committed you. If you are watching my video regularly, one day you will speak English as like me. I know. My English is very good. So if you want to speak English as like me, definitely you will speak English as like me. I was like you on those days when I was belong in college. When I was studying in college, school, primary school, secondary school. I am also like you, but now I am speaking very well. Because of I am doing some activity regularly. That activity means mini storage, audio listening and group discussion. Mini storage. Means at least in one day you will write one story. Any matter, anything. You will be write on your notebook. Otherwise diary. That is the good. That is the good sign. Means after 1 month you have 30 stories. After 2 months you have 60 stories. Then you will be realize what is the correct statement on that point. Then second point, audio listening. Listening is the best sign, listening is the best method for improving your knowledge, for removing your mistake. And last point is group discussion. Group discussion means you create some group for speaking English. So what is the connection of mind, emotion and method? Mind is the powerhouse, emotion is the instrument, that instrument use that power, and method means communication method. I hope you understand very well my lecture. If you like my video, press the like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.